Hello, good morning. Yeah, Majid is here. So another weekend, another hike. This time I'm in a place that we call it Eksholm. Eksholm, this one. And this is actually close to the city of Malmo and also close to the airport. And because it's close to the airport, so I cannot take off my drone. So this time it's just me and you with this selfie stick, and yeah, it's a good place. Next to the lake and still some green trees. That's weird. I didn't see green tree a couple of months by now. Yeah. There is like just a small shelter there, I guess. It's a shelter right now. So I have to go right. I will go there. This is nice. There is a shelter here, so and a fire pit. I actually two fire pits. Some recycle bin. So this shelter is very good because during when you want to like camp and you don't have like a tent or something, you can just come here and just sleep in the sleeping bag. It's very big also. Like maybe 5-6 people can stay here. Some memories. Yes. Can we find any familiar name here maybe? This fire pit is good. Maybe I can make my fire here because I want to cook today. So. Some firewood. That's good. That's good. Lakefront. What is this? I don't know. There is some information inside. Let's go. What does it say? Arknat. Actually, because we are in Eksholm, there are lots of this bird watching tower. I saw lots of them, but this one is clearly not a bird watching tower, but I don't know also what is it. So if I figure it out later, I will put it somewhere in the video, or if you know, just write it below in the comments. It's weird because in the parking there were like two ways, two different routes. I picked one of them, but most of the people are going the other way, so I'm not sure what is there actually, but I will go to see. This area is not that much big. Let's see. When I saw on their website, it's like 29 acres in the whole national park. But, I think some part of it is outside, it's the other side of the lake. This is like, most probably this is like a place that the people can put the firewood here to be dry. I'm not sure. Oh, look at the sea. Ah, very big one, huh? This could be a bird watching tower. Let me go back. What is this? I don't know. Yeah, sign. This one is for Skåne. It's like 100, maybe 1,000 kilometers of trail all over the Skåne. Skåne is like the southern part of Sweden. So this is the trail. So you can find this sign, this orange sign that the person is walking. You can find it almost everywhere, like in the city, outside, here, in nowhere. And if you see this map, for example, this is the map of this region, and this is Skåne is covering this part of the map. We are right now somewhere around this lake. No, we are here. I'm not sure we are here, I guess. But yeah, so let's continue. Oh, actually, this is fun. This map is existing in different languages like English, Swedish, German, with all information, and also the link to the website if you can. That's nice. Skåne. I wish someday I can do this and like walk around all this trail. 1,000. I'm not sure exactly how much it is, but it's a very long route. This is some sort of mall. Actually, it's funny because here when they have food, they have like some sort of a small shopping cabin in the farm, so you can go there and buy the first hand and fresh farm products. So this is like a kind of a junction that hiking trail is going this way, which is signed by orange on the trees if you see there. And this one is like off-road one, looks really beautiful. This is where I came from, and this one is also going to another farm, I guess, because I can see some barn out there. And I'm not actually following any special trail, I'm just trying to explore the area. What I want to do, maybe I go this way, continue that Skåne trail for a while, because it goes out of the jungle. Then I will come back and continue this off-road. It's really beautiful. And yeah, I guess this is the plan. Then I will go back to that shelter place where there was like 2 different fire pits, because I want to cook today, cook lunch. Okay, that sounds like a plan. Let's go. These trees are like very good for Christmas trees, so we can cut them. And actually the size are also good. So like, I don't know, 8 meters, 10 meters. Yeah, we can put them in apartment. Okay, at the end I decided to just continue that Skåne trail for a while, because this one goes all the way around the lake, and I'm always fan of going like a circle, not going back from the way that I came. So yeah, I will try this, but this will take much longer, because if I go back it's like 3-4 kilometers, but this way is like 9 to 10 kilometers, and I'm a bit hungry and I have to find like fire pit, but there is no fire pit, I guess. Here, the one that I know is the what one we saw earlier, so I have to go there. But I mean, it's not about trail or food or whatever, it's more about being here, being in the nature, and just relax a little bit after. one working week. So yeah, stay with me. Look at this, so beautiful. Everything is yellowish. I'm like passing around the lake, and the lake is there. So it's actually funny because they made like a canal like this for the water, the rain, snow, everything, and it goes out of the road without disturbing the road. Oh, that's nice. They put a pipe like that inside I don't know what is this, village or something. Oh, that's nice. Look at this farm, how old it is. It's like more than 100 years old. I'm always fascinated by this red color of the building in the forest here in Sweden and most of the Scandinavia. It's really beautiful. This is most probably like a private one for that farm, but yeah. Very nice. I like it. So yeah, I decided to just come a little bit on off-road because I'm not that much fan of predefined trail. Off-road is more, you know, it's more fun for me. And you see this poor tree has fell down, and they cut it. Poor tree. Oh, there are more of these trees. Okay. This is actually a dangerous one because it's like a canal of water that goes to the lake. I'm not surprised why there is no any. I think that's the end. So I'm so close. Agility is like the key here. You have to be so quick. I understand. Oh my god, there's a big one is there. Maybe I can jump. Let's see. Most of the time I'm just going back to find a better way. This is the big one. I have to somehow go the other way. I see. So people put some trees here, so nah, not trees, just wood, so you can go just easily like this. I can't say it's done. It's 100% unsafe. Good. Yeah, I'm done with the hiking part, and I'm going to find actually some piece of wood, dead wood on the ground, so I can make a fire and just eat a little bit because I'm hungry as wow. So I remember when I was started, there's so many dead here in this place. So yeah, that's a big tree. So I collect some and go back to the fire. These are the woods I'm looking for. Not much big, not that much small. So let's make the fire up. I brought some firewood from home. And this knife, it has like some sort of barking, so I can use it for making the fire. Yeah, for making fire, I started from a small dry wood. Then I stack the bigger wood on top of it, so the fire comes from all the way down to the top. So what I want to cook today is I brought some sausages and a pan. So these sausages are also some sort of Italian sausages, which I'm not familiar with, but they are good for cooking, for grilling. And I'm not doing grill today, so, but I think they are good for my purposes, like milled chili sausages from this part of Italy. I don't know, but I have to wait until this gets up fire. Before, the bread is like half-baked bread, and we don't have oven here for sure. So I want to put it here in the fire, and yeah, I think that. Yeah, my cooking is almost done. I made it like this, some like the sausages, the tomato sauce, eggs, and I converted the bread to some sort of carbon. yeah, it's burned. Then I want to put some water on fire for tea, and yeah, see you after lunch. Hi, yeah, so I'm almost done. I had lunch and a hot tea, and if you see here, that is the parking somewhere there. After those trees, it's the parking lot, and I am going back to the city. And yeah, it was a really pleasant hike. I really enjoyed. The weather was good, and it has started just raining just now. Yeah, that's good. I expected to be rainy during the hike, but still no complaining. And yeah, take care and stay tuned for the next Saturday video. Bye bye.